SingularityNET and Nature 2.0 came together to explore what could be the new narratives of society. How can we look at society and discover what is actually crazy, and then start rebuilding it as a system beneficial for all?
Today we hosted a meetup event to introduce the people of Amsterdam to the concept of decentralizing artificial intelligence and how they could use these tools for their blockchain hackathon challenge at Odyssey.
So today's talk that I had was focused on understanding our data rights and understanding how those rights are central to Western civilization, but also to our individual identity. The moment we understand those rights, we can participate meaningfully in today's society, because a large part of the technological infrastructure that we've built is reliant on that individual data. So this conversation today that I had was the first of hopefully many around how individuals can understand this dynamic.
What you see is that a whole crowd of people gets inspired, that they start building ideas upon ideas, that the people in the room are willing to help. This is how you create a community.
How do we make sure that people engage in a global marketplace where people could play together, play games or play apps, use apps, and play them in a social collaborative setting that actually connects them together, rather than having single app installs where people play a game on the train or wherever, very isolated from their friends and people they would love to play with from the global community.
So until now, carbon credits are not accessible for individuals or for houses. It's only larger industries and possibly in the near future larger buildings. But we want to make it accessible for single houses. We call it a blockchain carbon credit wallet for individuals, house by house.
Our solution is aimed to stop deforestation, let areas of deforested land get claimed by farmers, and by claiming them and say that they will plant trees, and the satellite will make pictures of these trees, they get an incentive from the tokenized system to earn money, more than the soya plants they get right now.
It starts off with individual people getting excited and understanding how they can build. So I'm really hopeful. We've had some really wonderful conversations with people who are participating in the hackathons, people who are coming to Nature 2.0 meetups. The crowd that you're attracting is really at the leading edge of how to make our technology more human.
We hope that a lot of people learn a little bit about SingularityNET and what we do, and how they could think about problems in the real world and how they could approach this.
All the teams have been selected, 100 teams participating in the Odyssey Hackathon. What we're going to offer not only to the Nature 2.0 teams, but to all the teams, is a deep dive on SingularityNET, an ecosystem of distributed AI, how to bring intelligence into your solution.
SingularityNET is planning on releasing the beta platform in February. So in our workshop that we'll have on the 21st of March, that will be the first time that senior engineers will be explaining this new platform and the new architecture of the platform right here in Amsterdam. So if you want to learn how to work with the updated tools, how they've exactly changed from what we had before, they should definitely be attending that workshop so that they can explain it to you from start to finish, exactly how it works and how you could use it for your own ideas as well.
The collaboration and partnership with Nature 2.0 is going to be around how we can be thought partners, how we can be content partners, how we can channel all of our creative energy and learnings that we're having from running a blockchain AI project into Nature 2.0, so that they too can leverage some of the skills and talents that we're bringing as well. So it's going to be a mutually beneficial and impactful partnership that I hope will start a new movement in the longer run.
Everybody is welcome there, including humanoids.
Join us on the Nature 2.0.
SingularityNET Tech Deep Dive.
On March 21st in Amsterdam.
See you there!